Is the global warming worse than we thought? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Manuel Maya, and as you heard, today I'm going to talk about the global warming and also the three essential consequences that this problematic is letting in our planet. Those are the extreme increase of the weather, the ice melt, and finally the pollution. And after all, I'm going to tell you about how to take care of the environment since our houses and also to help the planet to heal itself. Enjoy it. Okay, so first of all, the global warming isn't a prediction. It's happening right now. A lot of scientists have told that the global warming is gonna come in 2050, but they are completely wrong. It's happening right now. And it includes the increase in the temperature of Earth's atmosphere, water, and surface. Human activities produce greenhouse gases that get accumulated in the atmosphere, allowing the sun's rays to get stuck under the stratosphere and the planet gets warmer. This problematic isn't just the melt of polar ice and weather problems around all the world. It can change our maps, displace people and animals, produce famine, etc. That's why we must be aware about this huge problem and stop doing all of the things that kill our planet each time more. Okay, so first I will start talking about the first consequence, that is the extreme weather in the world that affects the balance that animals and plants need to survive. Climate changes cause health problems, animal migration, the lack of food resources, drugs, and extreme heat in diverse regions of our planet. The increase of the temperatures are producing heavy natural disasters, such as cyclones, tsunamis, and earthquakes that will increase their intensity more and more, producing unavoidable rifts in the world and forcing people and animals to move to other places. If these animals cannot survive in other places, their habitats will be lost and they'll be endangered. Okay, so let's continue with the second consequence that the global warming is letting in our planet, specifically in Colombia. That is the loss of snow in our snowy peaks. According to the Parque Nacional Natural Los Nevados, in 2050, the global warming will end with the 50% of the snow in the 6 actual snowy peaks we have. It means that for 2050, out of the 6 snowy peaks we have, only 3 will survive. Those are Nevado del Ruiz, Sierra Nevada del Cocuy, and Nevado del Huila. This park is taking care of these peaks since today by not allowing people to climb so far and not doing ecological walks so often. Okay, now I will show you a picture about how did the Nevado del Tolima look like 30 years ago and how it looks like today. As you can see, the loss of snow has increased a lot due to the global warming, and we need to try to stop this. Okay, the third and the last consequence that the global warming is letting in our planet is the pollution and the air quality. An example could be here in Medellin, that the air quality is bad, and the government has to take action over the climate crisis we are passing through. If we add to this the global warming, it's even worse. That's why the government has started implementing regulation such as environmental pico y placa all day, that this regulation force the people to use more the public transportation and generating less pollution emission, and luckily with this crisis of the coronavirus, the pollution emission has decreased a lot, and now Medellin can breathe again. But when all of this crisis is over, I think that the government is not going to take care of the air, and we are going to pass this crisis again. In conclusion, the global warming is a monster that if we don't stop it right now, it will be unstoppable and too late. We need to be aware of this planet. We need to be aware that this problematic can be stopped, and we need to be conscious. We need to take care of our planet, our environment, our air. And also it's good to know that Medellin is taking care of the situation and isn't letting the air affect us anymore. But it isn't just a matter of letting the government to regulate the air of the problems. It's also our responsibility to take care of our city and starting helping the planet at home by taking bath in less time, closing the tap when we are not using, and turn off the light when we are not using them. Thank you.